Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Ford Knox Company, and I'm going to show you how to put on some tire chains because we are in Duck Creek, Utah, and it has not stopped snowing for almost 2 days now. We have at least 12 inches of snow or more around the vehicle, so we're going to be leaving in the morning, and I'm going to put these tire chains on. I'm going to show you how. Put links for these in the video. These are a must if you're going to be traveling out here in the snow. We always have them in the car, and luckily, again, we did. But this is why it's important to practice putting them on when it's not snowing like this, because I've practiced it at home, made sure I'm familiar with them. That's why I'm making this video. And we're going to put them on in the driveway, so in the morning we can leave, not have to do that thing first thing in the morning. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. So this is our starting point. I'm gonna put them on the rear wheels. This is a 4-wheel drive, but if you have rear wheel, that'd be probably preferred. If you have a front wheel drive vehicle, put them on the front wheels. You wanna put them on your drive wheels. I'm gonna clear this snow around, give me a little working space. And then the cool thing about these is that you don't have to actually drive the vehicle forward. You should be able to click them on around the tire where it stands. So we have our tire chains laid out. You can see there's a brake right here. We're gonna put that blue around the tire and put this brake right where the tire sits. And we'll connect this in the front. Then we'll connect the two on the top. So we do blue around the back, red around the front. And it has these auto cinching features that will help pull it around the tire and keep tension. So I slid the blue from behind. You can see I laid it flat again. It's good to keep these things organized. Just lay it out flat before you go on to the next step. Pulled the red chain around. If you are gonna be doing this in the snow, it is important to clear around the tire, but also make sure you clear where it sits, because there's only so much room to get that brake in the silver chain and these two red pieces around. But you can basically pull it together. We're gonna first connect the blue around the back of the tire, and then we're gonna connect the front of the red, and then we'll connect the outside of the red. So we connected the blue piece and the red piece around the back. So it's a little cylinder that slips like that. Pull these over the top of the tire, get this to lay around. Then we'll connect these, and we'll connect the two bottom, and we'll cinch it together. Now, when you're gonna connect these, you flip this little tab up and it lets you pull this out and you can hook it into the green. It's really important to have these organized. Make sure that cable is right behind the edge of the tire. This will cinch around the front. Same thing here, have to really get it together, but you flip that, pull that cable out, hooks into the green. Then when you pull this down, it will auto tighten. We'll do the same thing right here. And as you're driving, it will start to self-align and it'll keep tension on there. It won't pull back. And that's just how easy it was. It took just about 3 minutes. Another good pointer is that when you're having these installed and you're getting ready to lay them up, make sure that this lays with the hooks coming up. That's the right way out. This facing outwards. If you have it the other way, you'll find out really quick when you go to connect it and you go to connect this, that this will be facing on the inside. And so every time you try to adjust it, it will automatically close because it's pushing against the tire. But also having these hooks out this way, this is how we know that it's facing out the right way. So when you go to lay it down, all these hooks are curled out. And that's pretty much it. Just a short and sweet video on how to install these. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm doing this out here with gloves on. Kids are playing in the snow while we're doing it. I did, really important, clearing the snow away from the tire so you have that room to work around it. But I only practiced these at home, and this is the first time we had to actually put them on when we came out here. And I'm glad that I practiced at home, comfortable, got familiar with them. And just in case you guys need to, wanted to make this video so you catch yourself out in the snow and you're like, I don't know what I'm doing. Hopefully this will help you. Again, I'll put links for these ones in the video. These are 33.5-inch tires. They're off-road Falcon tires, mud terrain, so they fit on the big ones. This brand has a lot of other smaller ones too for any type of vehicle, but they do fit the off-road tires, which is one of the reasons I looked at this brand. but that auto tightening feature and the feature where you don't have to actually move your vehicle to get them on is huge. Put them on right here in place and we're ready to go in the morning. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the like button, really helps me out, and consider subscribing. Got all kinds of good content for you. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.